August 5, 2024, a Toyota Vios accidentally hit a parked Nissan Navara while reversing in Upper Carmen, Cagayan de Ora. The Vios had a misaligned front bumper and broken grille, while the Navara had damage to its fender liner and mudguard. The Vios owner reported the accident to Perla Insurance's Butuan Branch the next day. Both parties settled the matter through insurance and own damage claim for the Vios and a third-party property damage claim for the Navara. By August 19, both vehicles were repaired and back on the road, thanks to the quick resolution by Perla Insurance.
All is well with Perla Insurance.